If you have a Udemy credit balance and want to move it to your bank account, here's what you need to know before attempting it. Udemy does not allow direct transfer of credit balances to a bank account. To access your funds, you can request a refund for eligible purchases or account credits. Start by logging into your Udemy account and navigating to your account settings through your profile icon. From there, select Payment and Payout to view your current credit balance and any eligible refund options. If you want the balance as cash, click Support or Contact Us, then choose Refund/Account Credit Inquiry. Fill in the form explaining that you would like to request a refund for your account credit. Udemy will review your request according to their refund policy, and if approved, the fund will be sent back to your original payment method, which can then be withdrawn to your bank account. Keep in mind that some credits from promotions or gift cards may not be refundable, so check your balance type before requesting a transfer. While you can't transfer Udemy credits directly to a bank, requesting a refund is the safest way to access the funds. Once approved, you'll have the money in your original payment method and can withdraw it to your bank. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.